Hi, my name's Rob. I'm a chartered accountant and a partner at an accountancy practice in the UK. Most accountants offer registered office services to their clients, meaning that the clients will use the accountant's address as their address. So all the clients' post and letters will go to the accountant's office instead of theirs. Now, it's great for the clients, but as accountants, we then have to deal with all that post. And it's actually a lot more time consuming than you think. We even underestimate it. But the way that it would normally work is a letter would come in and someone from the admin department or the receptionist might read that letter. They'll look at the name of the client, they'll read what the letter is, and they'll go to the database, find the client code, and then also find the accountant who's responsible for that client. And then from there, the accountant will decide what they're going to do with that letter, either send it to the client or they'll, if it's from HMRC or the tax man, maybe they'll do something about it and sort it on behalf of the client. So we've all been there. We had this problem and it was very time consuming. And I was able to build a solution that fixed it. With that in mind, let's jump into a demo and I'll show you exactly how it works. All right, we've got some demo data for you to use. So we'll upload the post, and these are letters I've just created with AI. So that they are PDFs, but it does, we use it every day, so it works on basically everything. Then you'll upload the client list. And then from here, you'll type the name of the accountants in. I'm just going to put example in for now. And you'll click process. The reason why you put the name of the accountants in is that a lot of the letters will actually be addressed to the accountants with the accountant's name on it. And then it'll also have the client's name further down. So the AI will need to decipher which is the accountant and which is the client. So from here, we'll click generate zip files, and we'll also download the Excel report. So let's go to download and we'll open that Excel report. So bear with me one moment while that opens. And here is the Excel report that you'll get with it. That's the original files names. And this is what the renamed files will look like. With your client code, there's the description of the company, Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. And it's a VAT inquiry. And it gives the name of the company. And most importantly, it gives which is the staff member that relates to. So we've got the dream team over there, the Andy Dufresne Shawshank Redemption. It's made up anyway, so a bit of fun. So let's close that and we'll actually download the post. So this will download all the documents. And it'll have them all renamed. So here is what that looks like. There's your renamed documents with got client code, company name, and a description of what it is. And if we jump into a random one, again, this I just generated it with AI for convenience. I can't use client data, unfortunately. So if I minimize that, you can also see we've got it in buckets. So the dream team of accountants, so all made up. The Andy Dufresne, let's go and download his post. So bear with me, it pops onto the other screen. That's the Excel report with just his stuff in. Here's all his documents. So all the ones that had his name next to it will appear here. The Lehman Brothers Risk Management Department. And let's look at his Excel report. Again, it only has his documents on there. Again, there it is, and the client code and everything. So from here, what you'd do is you'd go and email it to them, and they could decide whether they want to pass it on to the client or not. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you'll find this as valuable as we do. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Don't bite. Happy to help. Thank you for watching.